Well, turning to weather now, where temperatures remained hot and humid again today in the Tennessee Valley. But will the temps hold up for those 4th of July celebrations this week? Forecaster Alison is live in the Storm Alert Center to tell us in an extended look at the forecast. Alison?
Yes, Joy, we're going to be staying with those 90-degree temperatures throughout the entire week ahead. In fact, in general, our normal high in Chattanooga, June 30th, is the first day where we have a normal high of 90 degrees. That's going to continue for the next month and a half. So you can expect some of the similar weather throughout July and into August as well. Now, currently, it is 91 in Chattanooga, 95 though in Dalton, and 90 degrees in Cleveland. We have wind from the west-northwest at 3 miles per hour. But with that humidity, these places here that are in the 80s, there feels like temperatures are in the 90s. So everybody across the region, you're feeling like it is at least 90 degrees. So 90 in Murphy, 93 for the feels like temperature in Chattanooga, 97 for the feels like temperature in Dalton. So that means if you're planning on doing anything outside tonight, maybe grilling out in the backyard, heading to the CFC game, it will be a hot evening out. Temperatures will be staying in the 80s until about 9-10 o'clock tonight. And that summertime pattern we experienced this weekend is going to continue for the week ahead, especially Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We're going to have those hot temperatures with a chance of just a few isolated pop-up storms in the afternoon. The heat index for the next 3 days looks like it's going to be 95 to 99 degrees. Now, on Thursday, July 4th, it's still going to be hot for that heat index. We could have a feels like temperature of 100 degrees potentially, but slightly better chances for a few of those storms to populate. As far as the day today, the great majority of people stay dry. Most of those isolated pop-up storms were to the south of our area. There was one right along the Tennessee River around Meigs and Ray County. The radar was estimating about 1,500 of an inch of rainfall. But you can see in southern Gilmer County, south of LJ, about 3/10, just outside of Fort Payne, potentially up to a ½ inch of rain fell in DeKalb County earlier today. Now, as we look at our satellite radar, you can see that those storms are now starting to diminish. Most of the area, we have lots of blue skies, just a few clouds, so mostly sunny. Zooming out a little bit, these pockets of isolated storms mainly stay to the south of us, so in Georgia, Alabama, and to Mississippi. And then there's a heavier line of rain and storms to our north. This is slowly tracking down to the south during the nighttime hours. It will be weakening as it approaches our area, but we'll have a slight chance. We're close to the midnight hour of having maybe a stray shower or storm. That's going to be better for our northern counties and to the east. A lot of people will be staying dry. And then for your day on Monday, it'll be mostly sunny, a few clouds building in the afternoon like we had for the weekend. And then with the heating of the day, we'll have a chance for a few isolated storms to pop up. Again, these are going to be limited. A lot of people will stay dry, but just keep that in mind. If you do hear that thunder, see lightning, you need to head indoors. We'll have a repeat of that for the day on Tuesday, so mostly sunny again, with those afternoon pop-up storms developing. That's that summertime pattern that we're talking about. And these aren't going to be very organized, but something to at least keep in mind as you're going through the day and the coming days. Now, looking at the 7-day forecast, we will have a high tomorrow of 93 degrees, 90s across the board. So just some isolated storms for the next 3 days and then slightly better chances towards the end of the week. Really, it's just the heat and the humidity is the story. I'll have all those high temperatures from our sky watchers today, which included a lot of 90s coming up at 11 o'clock.
All righty.